Welcome! Today you'll discover how to create professional quality videos quickly and easily using Fliki AI. Whether you're brand new to video creation or you're an experienced content creator looking for a faster and smarter way to produce videos, Fliki has you covered. It's built to make video production simple, accessible, and incredibly efficient for everyone. No technical background required. Fliki AI is perfect for a wide range of content creators. Whether you're crafting YouTube videos, creating Instagram, Reels, designing business promos, making podcasts, or working on personal projects, Fliki offers the flexibility and power you need. The platform starts with a free plan, perfect for beginners who want to test the waters, and offers premium plans packed with advanced features for those ready to take their content to the next level. You can focus entirely on bringing your ideas to life while Fliki handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Getting started with Fliki is refreshingly simple. Once you log in, you choose the type of project you want to create, whether that's a video, a podcast, or a mix of both. You can also select your preferred video format depending on where you plan to post: vertical for TikTok or Instagram stories, horizontal for YouTube, or square for social media feeds like Facebook. Fliki's user-friendly dashboard makes the entire process intuitive, allowing you to add text, images, audio, and video clips with easy drag-and-drop functionality. No complicated editing skills are needed. Everything is designed to be streamlined and efficient. Make sure to watch until the end. I'll also share a few quick tips to get the most out of Fliki. Creating your project begins with a clear, engaging script or video title. Fliki is scene-based, meaning you build your video one part at a time. You can add text, visuals, and audio to each scene individually, making it super easy to customize every part of your video. Rearranging scenes, adjusting timing, adding new visuals, and previewing your progress are all just a few clicks away. This flexible structure gives you complete control over your project without the usual editing headaches that traditional video software can bring. If you're liking what you see so far, imagine what you could create with Fliki today. One of Fliki's strongest features is its AI-powered voiceovers. You can either record your own voice directly inside the platform or choose from Fliki's extensive library of realistic AI voices. These voices come in a wide variety of accents, languages, and tones, allowing you to match the voice perfectly to your brand, message, or target audience. Even better, you can fine-tune the voice speed, tone, and emotional delivery to better connect with your viewers and enhance the storytelling in your video. Adding background music and sound effects is just as simple. Fliki offers a library of royalty-free music and sound options that you can easily insert into your project. Whether you want a soft instrumental for a calm podcast or an energetic beat for a promotional video, there are plenty of choices available. You can adjust the volume levels to make sure your voiceover remains clear and the music complements rather than overpowers your message. Another major advantage of using Fliki is its ability to repurpose existing content into engaging new videos. If you already have blog articles, newsletters, social media posts, or even old scripts lying around, you can simply paste that text into Fliki. The platform automatically suggests appropriate visuals, scene breaks, and even voiceovers based on your content. This saves a tremendous amount of time and helps you breathe new life into content you've already worked hard to create. Once your project feels complete, exporting your video is quick and straightforward. Fliki gives you the flexibility to choose the resolution and quality settings that best suit your needs. Whether you're publishing a crisp 1080p video to YouTube, a snappy vertical clip for Instagram Reels, or something else entirely, you can trust that your final product will look polished and professional. Overall, Fliki AI is a true game changer for anyone serious about content creation. It allows you to produce high-quality, engaging videos without the steep learning curve or time investment of traditional editing tools. Whether you're a solo creator, a small business owner, or someone just starting to build their online presence, Fliki makes professional video production not only possible, but genuinely enjoyable. So, let's go over the pricing for Fliki AI. You get up to 6 minutes of free credits instantly, and that resets monthly. So it's enough to try out some basic features and get familiar with the platform. With the standard plan, it's $28 per month and gives you 180 minutes, 15 minutes of export length, 1,000 standard voices, 150 realistic voices, and 50 studio quality voices and everything else you see. The premium plan is $88 per month. You get twice the amount of export length and quite a bit more of the various voices offered. I hope you're as excited as I am about what Fliki AI can do for you. I can't wait to see what kinds of amazing videos you'll create with this powerful tool. Ready to bring your ideas to life? Click the link in the description of this video to try Fliki AI today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content like this. Here is the final created video mentioned earlier. Happy creating and see you on the next video. It's going to be a banger.
Ever wonder what 90 days of dedication can achieve? Witness an inspiring journey of strength, perseverance, and transformation. Here's where it all began. Low energy, unhealthy habits, and a desire for change. The mission? Shed 20 pounds, build muscle, and create a sustainable lifestyle of health and fitness. Through consistent workouts, clean eating, and daily habits, the transformation began to take shape. Halfway through, the results were undeniable. Strength improved, confidence grew, and the goal felt closer than ever. After 90 days of hard work, the results speak for themselves. A healthier, happier version emerged. Feeling inspired? Start your own transformation today. Subscribe for more stories, tips, and motivation.